Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and healthy and fine. Welcome you all after the holidays. I hope you enjoyed your holidays. Today in GK session we are going to study chapter 8 and chapter 9. Okay, let's proceed with the chapter 8, that is India's superlatives. In this chapter we are going to know more about India's superlative. The first one. The first one is name the world's tallest statue in India. That is, yes, Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is a colossal statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first deputy prime minister and the home minister of independent India and adherent of Mahatma Gandhi during the non-violent Indian independence movement. The next is name the highest dam in India. That is Tehri Dam. The Tehri Dam is the tallest dam in India. It is a multi-purpose rock and earth-filled embankment dam on the Bhagirathi river near Tehri in Uttarakhand, India. It is primary dam of the THDC India Limited and in Tehri Hydroelectric Complex Phase 1 was completed in 2006. Next is name the largest indoor stadium of India situated in New Delhi. That is Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium. The Indira Gandhi Arena, or officially Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium, formerly known as the Indraprastha Stadium, is located at the Indraprastha estate in the eastern region of New Delhi. It is the largest indoor sports arena in India and the third largest in Asia. The next is which is the longest river bridge of India? That is Bhupen Hazarika Setu, that is situated in Asia. The Dhola Sadia Bridge, the name of the bridge is Dhola Sadia Bridge, also referred to as the Bhupen Hazarika Setu, is a beam bridge in India connecting the northeast states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. The bridge spans the Lohit River, a major tributary of the Brahmaputra River, from the village of Dhola in the south to Sadhya to the north. Next is name India's highest altitude all-weather permanent bridge. That is Colonel Chawang Rinchen Bridge, which is situated in Ladakh. Colonel Chawang Rinchen Setu, inaugurated on Monday by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, is India's highest altitude all-weather permanent bridge, located in eastern Ladakh at nearly 45 km from the country's border with China. After opening the bridge, Singh reiterated the government's commitment to bolster border infrastructure to effectively deal with any threats the country might face. The 1400 feet long bridge on Shyok River, situated in subsector north at 14,650 feet and christened after Lion of Ladakh. This bridge superstructure is called Extra Wide Belly Bridge and it has 10 spans of 140 feet each and its width is 4.25 meter, and said senior officials of the Border Roads Organization, which built it in 15 months. Next is name India's largest church situated in Goa. Largest church situated in Goa is Saint Cathedral Church of Goa, is said to be the largest in Asia. This splendid church was constructed in the 16th century by the Portuguese. The cathedral lies to the west of the Great Square Terreiro de Sabaio, while its portico faces the east. Next is which is the longest dam in India? That is Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam is built across the Mahanadi River about 15 kilometers from Sambalpur in the state of Orissa in India. Behind the dam extends a lake Hirakud Reservoir 55 kilometer long. Next is, which is the longest highway tunnel in India? That is Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Tunnel. It is also known as Shyama Tunnel and formerly as the Chenani Nashri Tunnel, is a road tunnel in Jammu and Kashmir, India. It is located in the lower Himalayas on National Highway 44. Construction started in 2011 and was completed by 2017. Next is, which is the largest auditorium in India? That is Sri Shanmukhananda Hall, which is situated in India. Shanmukhananda Hall, Mumbai, is a perfect place for planning corporate events like an award ceremony to a gorgeous venue. This hall is inaugurated in 1963 by the then Bombay Governor Dr. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. The auditorium has been the stage for not only some of India's greatest classical performers but also for the noted international artists like the New York Philharmonic Orchestra by Zubin Mehta, with a seating capacity of 3020. It was claimed Asia's biggest auditorium, which had also hosted the Congress session convened by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The last is, where is the largest museum of India situated? That is Indian Museum, which is situated in Kolkata. The Indian Museum in Kolkata, West Bengal, India, also referred to as the Imperial Museum at Kolkata in colonial era text, is the 9th oldest museum in the world, the oldest museum in India, and the largest museum in the world. Hope you understand the video and complete your textual exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.